Welcome to our channel. To watch free sports replays on Android TV using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV and navigate to the home screen. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Launch the downloader app. If you don't have it installed, go to the Google Play Store and search for Downloader. Step 3. Click on the URL bar in the Downloader app to bring up your on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Type in the Sports Replays downloader code for Android TV. Enter it carefully. Step 5. Hit Go to start the download process. The Sports Replays app will begin downloading. Step 6. After the download completes, tap Install when the installation prompt appears. Step 7. Open the Sports Replays app and browse through archived games, highlights, and full match replays. Step 8. Watch any game you missed with instant access to sports replays from all major leagues and tournaments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.